Dealing with a long term disability claim can be stressful, especially when you're facing claim denials from insurance companies like Humana. It's important to understand your rights and the tactics insurance companies sometimes use. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a managing attorney here at Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a nationally leading public interest law firm that has been helping people with disability claims for over 25 years. I'm joined by CCK managing attorney Maura Black. Today, we'll be discussing Humana long-term disability claim denials. Humana is an insurance company that offers both short and long-term disability group policies. These LTD policies can cover between 40 and 60% of a person's earnings, depending on their specific policy. However, they often deny claims. We're going to talk about what to do if this happens to you, but before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.
Thanks, Leah. First, can you explain some of the common reasons that Humana may deny a long-term disability claim?
Absolutely. So, there are a few different reasons that Humana may deny your long term disability claim. For example, they may deny your claim because they conclude that you do not meet the definition of disability in your LC policy. Your Humana LC policy may have an own occupation definition of disability, which requires you to be disabled from the job you were doing at the time you became disabled, or it may have an any occupation definition, which requires you to be disabled from any occupation whatsoever. Humana may also deny your claim if they conclude that you did not submit sufficient medical evidence to document your claim, or they may conclude that the evidence you submitted does not have objective proof of your disability, but rather only subjective reports of symptoms. For example, if your disability is due to cancer, that may have more readily available objective medical evidence like blood tests, MRIs, and other things of that nature, as compared to someone who is disabled due to fibromyalgia, which relies on self reported symptoms to be diagnosed. There are a few other reasons your LTD claim with Humana may be denied. They may determine that your disability falls under an exclusion in your policy, such as the pre existing condition exclusion, or they may have obtained surveillance of you during their claim review and determined that the surveillance is inconsistent with your claim disability.
So then, what happens when Humana denies an LTD claim? And specifically, what should a claimant do if they receive a denial?
So it's important to remember that Humana will send a letter when they deny your claim. And it's important to read this denial letter carefully so you can understand their specific reasons for the denial. Reading that denial letter can help you craft a strong appeal that responds to their specific reason for the denial. It's important to keep in mind that you do have the right to file an appeal, but you need to pay careful attention to deadlines to make sure you submit your appeal on time. This is especially true if your claim is governed by the federal law known as ERISA, because you must file an appeal under ERISA before you can pursue your claim in court. And if you miss the appeal deadline, you could lose out on the rights to your benefits, including your right to pursue that claim in court. While you're putting your appeal together, you should gather all necessary documentation and evidence, including medical records, reports from your treating physicians, and even supplemental evidence such as vocational reports, functional capacity evaluations, or neuropsychological evaluations if those are relevant to your disability. It's also important to remember, though, that the appeal stage is the best time to contact an attorney. This is because, as we mentioned above, it's a critical time in the LTD claim process, and failure to appeal on time or failure to put together the strongest appeal possible can negatively impact your claim.
Great. Thanks, Leah. It can be incredibly difficult to deal with a long-term disability denial from Humana or any other insurance company. But it's important to know that you don't have to handle this kind of thing on your own. CCK Law has been helping long-term disability claimants since 1999. We may be able to help you get the benefits that you need. You can reach out to us at any time, either through our website or by calling us for a free case evaluation with a member of our team. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. Take care.